1. CAM Website Builder Review 2025 Best Budget Site Builder. Building a website doesn't have to break the bank. 1Com claims to offer an affordable website builder in 2025, but is it worth your time? Let's find out. 1Com offers drag and drop site building, templates and integrated hosting. Most people get this wrong. They assume cheap builders lack features, but 1Com provides responsive design, security, and SEO basics right out of the box. You won't believe what happens next. You can add blogs, e-commerce stores, and contact forms without needing any coding knowledge. Platform is beginner-friendly, with intuitive menus and pre-designed layouts. For small businesses, freelancers or bloggers on a tight budget, it's easy to get a professional-looking site online quickly. 1Com also includes hosting and a domain in their plans, which saves extra costs compared to buying separately. Pricing is affordable, with entry-level plans starting under per month, making it one of the most budget-friendly options on the market. Higher-tier plans add e-commerce, email accounts, and extra storage. So, is 1Com the best budget website builder? For beginners or small projects, absolutely. For advanced customizations or enterprise-level sites, more powerful platforms may be necessary. The surprising truth is that a low-cost builder like 1Com can still produce professional, secure, and functional websites, making it an excellent choice for anyone starting online without a huge budget.